Greetings, dear students. Welcome to Bal Bharti Vidyapeeth, Gohana, where students get a chance to acquire knowledge on various fields of education. This is me, Mrs. Mamta, your Alga 8 teacher. Students, when we hear the word Alga, the first question arises in our mind: what is Alga? What is the meaning of Alga? So, firstly, let us know about the meaning of ALGA. In ALGA, E stands for English, L stands for language, and G stands for general, A stands for awareness. So, the meaning of ALGA is English language and general awareness. Now, we will know about the components of ALGA. In ALGA, there are 5 components. First component is phonics. Second, whole words. Third, reading and listening comprehension. Fourth is grammar. And fifth one is writing and speaking expression. So, these are the 5 components of ALGA. Today, we will discuss and we will learn about phonics. Do you know what is phonic? Let me know. By phonics, children learn the alphabet phonetically and then learn the ability to read books. So, phonics help us to reading and learning the phonetically words. Okay. Now, beta, we will discuss ALGA 8 Unit 1. In Unit 1, firstly, we will know about vowel digraphs. What is vowel digraphs? When two letters join where at least one is vowel, they create one sound. These sounds are called vowel digraph. Again I am speaking. When two letters join together where at least one is vowel, they create one sound. These sounds are called vowel digraph. In this unit, we will learn to read vowel digraphs. Firstly, we will learn to read IE digraph, EI digraph, and EY digraph. All these three digraphs will create E sound. IE, E, EI, E, EY, E. Let us know how to read some new words. Firstly, we will read IE digraph. IE as a E. E as a field. E as a peace. E as a thief. Now, EI digraph. EI will create E sound. EI, E. E as a receive. E as a ceiling. E as a seize. Now, EY digraph. EY also create E sound. E as a key. E as a hockey. E as a monkey. So, E sound is very clear. Now, we will learn a new sound, that is I. Here are three digraphs: Y digraphs, IE digraphs, and IGH digraph. All these three digraphs will create I sound. Y as a I, IE as a I, IGH as a I. Let us read some new words. First word is cry, dry, July. Next, I-E digraph. I-E will create I sound. I as a pie. I as a fried. I as a lie. IGH will create I sound. I as a thigh. I as a flight. I as a might. I hope you all will understand which sound is coming. That is I sound. Now let us learn new sound, that is O. Now here are again three digraphs. OE digraph, OW digraph and OU digraph. And all these digraphs will create O sound. OE, O, OW, O, OU, O. So which sound is coming? That is O sound. Now let us read some new words. OE as a O. O as a dough. O as a toe. O as a yellow. Now OW digraph. O as a flow. O as a sow. O as a grow. Now OU digraph. OU as a O. O as a pour. O as a four. O as a coat. So, I hope you all will clear this concept. I hope you will enjoy the class. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.